All right, so let's talk about HeyGen. HeyGen is one of the most powerful AI tools that lets you create longer form videos using your avatar, or even build a brand new character from scratch. So how do you actually create your own avatar or digital twin? Once you're inside HeyGen, you'll go to Assets, then click on Avatars. From there, you have two main options. You can either start from a video or you can start from a photo, and we're going to quickly walk through both. If you start from a video, that's going to give you the most realistic result. This option uses a single video of you to create an avatar that moves, talks, and behaves like you. When you click Start from Video, you'll first see a short introduction video. You can watch it, it's actually pretty helpful, and then you'll click Get Started. Next, you'll see the footage requirements. HeyGen asks for anywhere between 30 seconds and up to 10 minutes of unedited footage, ideally recorded with professional camera settings. 2 to 5 minutes is usually the sweet spot. From there, you can upload your video in a few different ways. You can upload a file directly, record using your webcam inside the HeyGen platform, or record with your phone. If you choose your phone, HeyGen gives you a QR code, you scan it, record your video, and it automatically uploads to your account. You'll get a few additional options. You can remove background noise, enable AI background removal so you're not locked into one background, and in higher tier plans, you can even maintain 4K resolution for your avatar. That 4K option is available on specific plans, so I'm not going to use it here, but it's good to know it exists. When you click Next, you'll move on to a verification step. HeyGen will ask whether this footage is for an existing avatar or a brand new one. You will pick New if you are creating a new avatar, or select Existing if you're creating a new look for an existing avatar. Once you click Next, this is where you read a short consent script, basically confirming that you allow HeyGen to use your video to create your avatar. You can turn on your camera and mic directly inside HeyGen, read the script, click Next, and then your avatar gets created or upload the consent. After that, you review and submit, and that's honestly most of the process right there. Now, the second option is creating an avatar from a photo. I'll be honest, starting from a video gives you the most realistic results because it captures your natural facial expressions, gestures, and movement. But if you're short on time, starting from a photo is a great alternative. With the photo option, you can upload a photo of yourself, or upload photos of a character you've created in another platform, or even generate a brand new character entirely with design with AI. You will be asked if this is for a new or existing avatar, choose your use case as discussed earlier, and you'll name the avatar, select things like age, and describe their general appearance. Once that's done, you click Create, and HeyGen builds the avatar for you. If uploading your pictures, you can upload multiple photos, even up to 10, to improve the results. Click Upload, you will be prompted to select if it's a new or existing avatar. Choose New, and your avatar will be ready in a few seconds. Once your avatar is created, you'll find it inside your My Avatars. You'll also see Public Avatars, which are HeyGen-provided avatars you can use right away, organized by categories like professional, lifestyle, and UGC-style creators. Inside My Avatars, you'll see all of your personal avatars. And one really powerful thing you can do here is add multiple looks to the same avatar. For example, if I click into Amanda, you'll see she has several different looks already. If I want her wearing something completely different for a new video, I can create a new look. To do that, I'll click on Create New, choose Start from Photo as we did earlier, and upload a new photo, but now choose that it's for an existing avatar, and HeyGen will associate that look with Amanda. If the system determines that the photo doesn't resemble the original avatar closely enough, it won't approve it. So your photos do need to stay consistent with the original avatar's appearance. And that's basically it. Whether you start from video or photo, that's how you create and manage your avatars inside HeyGen.